Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Recently, Bitcoin found a support at $20,800 and right now Bitcoin is likely to break down this support. And in today's video, we will also take a look at the Ichimoku cloud and this 200 weekly simple moving average support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this on-chain analysis, the net unrealized profit loss, NUPL. And this is the second day we can see that the map is showing us, this chart is showing us that the capitulation phase of Bitcoin is overheated. You can see it is turned into a blue color from green color. Here we had a capitulation was started almost at 7th of May, and right now this is the second day that it is overheated. Now it has turned in blue color like it was turned here back in March 2020. And now let me take you to the hourly time frame chart, and here we can see recently Bitcoin found the support here at $20,800, and right now you can see on this hourly time frame Bitcoin is breaking down this support of $20,800, but there is an additional support as well. We can see we have a bounce here, we have a bounce here, we have a bounce here, we have another bounce here, and if I connect all these bounces, then we can see it is also breaking down this downtrend line support as well. But if it will be recovered back above this support, then there will be a probability that it will be recovered above this support as well of $20,800. Right now we are breaking down this support and also this support as well. Now let me show you this weekly time frame chart. This is really very important. And if we take a look at the movement of Bitcoin with the combination of Ichimoku cloud and this 200 weekly simple moving average, then we can see whenever, even if the past history of Bitcoin shows that whenever it breaks down the Ichimoku cloud, then after breaking down between Ichimoku cloud and the 200 weekly simple moving average support, almost every time after testing 200 weekly simple moving average support, after breaking down this cloud, it starts the next rally from here. Like we can observe this move here when it broke it down back in July 2014. We had a drop and we tested the 200 simple moving average. And then after a short rally and the price line retested this 200 weekly simple moving average, then we had a very long-term rally. And you can see when we broke it down, the lagging span also crossed down the Ichimoku cloud, and we also received the bear cross, like this red line, the conversion line crossed down, the baseline crossed down the conversion line, and that was the bear cross of this Ichimoku cloud. And then we again started the next move, and after this move we can observe this such move again here back in June 2018. We broke it down, and again we tested this 200 simple moving average. We started a short rally, and after a short rally we retested the 200 weekly simple moving average, and after breaking down, you can see that lagging span also crossed down the cloud, and we also received this bear cross between the conversion and the baseline. And after this bear cross, the price line tested the support, and then we had another rally. But again, we broke it down, the Ichimoku cloud, in the month of Feb 2020, even in March 2020. And we again tested this 200 simple moving average, and again we moved up from there. Right now we can see again Bitcoin has broken down the support of the Ichimoku cloud. And after breaking down, we can see that the lagging span has completely crossed down the Ichimoku cloud, and we have already received the bear cross between the blue line and the red line, the conversion and the baseline. And the price line is again testing. This is the first candlestick, the weekly candlestick, that is testing the 200 weekly simple moving average, and we are moving below the 200 simple moving average. It happened here in March 2020 as well, when we moved down, but we recovered back in the next week. So it is possible that if it will follow the same move that it is doing every time in the previous history, then maybe it will have some sideways move here on the 200 weekly simple moving average, or it will be recovered back on the next week, and after recovering back, it will start the next rally. But the real move can be started because we have a very long-term downtrend line resistance here. You can see that we have a rejection here, we have another rejection, with several rejections we have here, and we need to break out this resistance. Once Bitcoin will be able to break out this downtrend line resistance, then there will be a possibility that it will also break out this Ichimoku cloud as well. So we need to also watch out for this breakout. Even though we are testing very strong support of 200 simple moving average, and even though we are also moving below than this support, but the previous history shows that if it moves down, it recovers back, it moves above the 200 weekly simple moving average again. But the real entry for Bitcoin will be, if you want to buy Bitcoin for the long term, you need to wait for this downtrend line to be broken out. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.